In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Author Central to KDP, perfect for beginners looking to streamline their publishing process. If you're an author or planning to become one, learning how to do this is an essential step. This process helps you manage your author profile and book listings more effectively. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log in to Author Central. If you're not familiar, Author Central is Amazon's platform designed specifically for authors to create and manage their author page. If you haven't created an account, you'll need to set one up first. A little side tip: make sure you're using the same login credentials associated with your Amazon or Kindle Direct Publishing account for a seamless setup. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that allows you to manage several aspects of your author profile. Next, navigate to the Books section within Author Central. This area is where all the magic happens. It's the place where you can see the entire list of books associated with your author profile. Be sure to familiarize yourself with this section, as it is integral to the linking process. After you're in the Books section, it's time to search for your books from KDP. You'll need to ensure that all your books listed on Kindle Direct Publishing can be found in the Author Central database. If you don't see a particular title, don't worry. Amazon provides a convenient search tool where you can locate books by title, ISBN, or author name. Once you find your book, you must claim it, essentially linking it to your author profile. This might take some time to update, so be patient as Amazon verifies your claim. Finally, save the updates you've made. This is a crucial step as it ensures all the changes you've worked on are recorded. Once all your changes have been saved, take a moment to review your profile to verify that everything appears as expected. It might be helpful to check the status of your claimed books after some time to see if the verification has been completed. This step-by-step process is designed to be simple and straightforward, but remember that assistance is available. You can always reach out to Amazon support if you encounter any issues or require further clarification during the process. Linking Author Central to your KDP account not only boosts your visibility on the Amazon platform, but also provides readers with a comprehensive overview of your work, fostering a more engaging experience for them. Thank you for joining us today, and hopefully you feel more confident in managing your book titles and author profile. Until next time, happy writing.